Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Blender Visual Videos. And today we are looking right into the difference between DeviantArt and ArtStation. We are looking for the similarities and the differences and what are the pros in it. So right here, as you can see, this is the tab for DeviantArt, and also here are some of the artworks made by some of the top artists in the world that have shared most of their work on DeviantArt. And you can see this is their work, and also we're going to go through some features of DeviantArt. As you can see, this is what I know. This is my portfolio. You can go there and follow me also. So in DeviantArt, we have some of a couple of things to do. You can share artwork. It serves as an online portfolio, which is similar to ArtStation, and whereby you can showcase all your artworks, your professional artworks. Because the DeviantArt is not a place you can put in your work in progress work. Only your finished work that you see is the best, that you can showcase to the world to see. That is the place you can share it to. And also we have some of the features here, like earning. You can earn through different arts. You can earn real money from it. You can also collect badges from people, which you can at last turn into real money. I think, yeah, because that's what I read about it. And also DeviantArt is kind of awesome because this one, it actually pays you on every earning you make. It pays you through PayPal, and you can convert points to real money, and you can withdraw to your PayPal account. That's what DeviantArt works. And also you can upgrade to the I think the what is called the core feature. The core feature is just like a stage, like you pay to get an upgrade of your account to the core feature. And through DeviantArt, you can see many other things you can do with it. This does not solely serve as a portfolio. It serves as like an income. You can generate income through this place. While for ArtStation, which is loading here, ArtStation is basically used to for marketing, just putting your blogs, your artworks and stuff. Let me just enter my password so that I can show you some features on ArtStation too. So in DeviantArt, this is the core upgrade for an account. To do this, you must become a member of the core member of DeviantArt, which you will unlock some of the features. You understand in the in your account. So there are some of the most credible features you can get when you upgrade. You get gifts like here, excessive exclusive benefits, beta test feature, deviation background, submit multiple deviation, schedule deviation, submit videos. This deviation means like your post, your artworks, which you can schedule. You can submit multiple posts at a time. Yeah, you can set print prices, you can sell through it, and also you can change your username for it to upgrade core symbol. You can change your core symbol and all stuff from this Deviant Core. Let's call it Deviant Core. That's how it works sometimes. Yeah. Okay. We also have some other things. Let's go through the things. We also have Deviant Watch. This Deviant Watch just like a story where you put your story out there. Just like maybe say for example an Instagram story. So Deviant Art also have this kind of feature. You can go through it. It have topics you can get into popular, and it also have groups where which you can join into to share your thoughts with other amazing artists. But for ArtStation, there are many type of things you can see there. You can participate in challenges in ArtStation. You participate in challenges, contests that you can go into, submit your best artwork which fits into the right topic that the challenge is asking you to do, and also from there your artwork can be shown in, and once you win or coming in from maybe the second stage or third stage, you can get more exposure from your work to ArtStation. And also I think ArtStation also is a good place for selling. Also you can get even gain money from ArtStation from selling your 3D models or your artworks right there. ArtStation is really great, so it's really great. And yeah, this is DeviantArt. So there are many type of genre you can see. We also have digital art, fine art, photography, fantasy, any type of thing, pixel art, all art fitting into here. Yeah, it's really good actually. It's really good. So thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Also drop a comment if you have any question. You can drop a comment below. Okay, thank you guys.